Hi everyone, this is Gloria Giraldo in collaboration with my partner Chefs Are In. Welcome back. Fall is coming and soup always is a great option to fend off the cold weather. So today we're going to make a squash noodle ramen soup. It's very quick and easy. You're gonna love it. So let's go to start with the ingredients, and at the same time I'm gonna let you know the recipe. Para aquellos que hablan español pueden encontrar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción que se encuentra abajo del video. Empecemos. Ingredients to make squash noodle ramen: a bunch of bok choy, 3 cups of homemade vegetable broth, 1 sliced onion, 2 squash made in noodles, 1 cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms, 1 tablespoon of miso paste, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 3 scallions chopped, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 3 centimeters of ginger chopped.